Let's begin by introducing the supplied parts, hardware, and recommended tools. We have a left side, right side bracket. We also have 8 M8 by 20 millimeter long hex head bolts plus washers. We also have 2 M10 by 25 millimeter long hex head bolts plus washers for the left side bracket. Then we also have 1 M10 by 30 millimeter long Allen bolt plus washer, 2 M6 by 25 millimeter long hex head bolts plus washers, 1 M6 by 45 millimeter long Allen bolts plus washers plus a long spacer, large ratchet and extension, 17 millimeter socket, small ratchet and extensions, 5 millimeter and 8 millimeter Allen sockets, or you can use keys, 8 millimeter and 10 millimeter sockets, or you can use wrenches or spanners. Now you can go ahead and place the bracket on the left hand side. Grab the 10 by 35 millimeter hex head bolts plus washers, spin them in, leave them loose. Now you can go on the right hand side, grab the 8 by 20 millimeter long hex head bolt plus washer, apply some blue LOCTITE, turn the bolt a few times, up front, spacer on the back side, M6 by 45, turn the bolts a few times, do not tighten them at all. Go on the left side, mount the left side crash bar. Line up the mounting holes. And then grab the M8 by 20 millimeter long hex head bolt plus the washer. Apply medium strength LOCTITE. Turn the bolt a few times, leave it loose. Then the M10 by 35 Allen bolt plus washer. Turn the bolt a few times, 1-2 times max. Then on the left side, M6 by 25. Again, turn it just a few times. We recommend 2-3 times max. Now mount the right hand side crash bar, and then grab the M8 by 20 millimeter long hex head bolt plus washer. Apply some medium strength LOCTITE and turn the bolt a couple of times, 1-2 times max. And then add a 6 by 25 millimeter hex head bolt plus washer. And then another M8 by 20 millimeter long hex head bolt plus washer. After lining up the mounting holes, turn a couple of times, mount the cross brace. Put in the M8 by 20 millimeter long bolts plus washers, and don't forget to apply some medium strength LOCTITE. Now gradually tighten all the bolts and then apply the torque specs. For about 100 kilometers, 150 kilometers, 80 to 120 miles. Double check all the bolts once again. Should you have any questions, feel free to contact us.